As dawn breaks on the digital age, new tides of change are inevitable. By 2025, AI is set to redefine the workforce, potentially automating 52% of jobs globally. Yet those at the industry's heart see AI as a collaborator, not a conqueror. Let's explore which careers will evolve with AI's integration. Exploring the impact of AI across industries. AI impact on coding. Coders and programmers may find their roles streamlined as AI, like ChatGPT, begins to autonomously write code, potentially condensing teams but also enhancing productivity. Studies from OpenAI and GitHub suggest that AI tools could automate up to 30% of coding tasks, reshaping the landscape of software development. Transforming media with AI. AI's proficiency in understanding and producing language is transforming media jobs. The Columbia Journalism Review reports that AI-generated content is becoming increasingly prevalent, indicating a shift in the demand for technical writing and journalism. However, the enduring need for human judgment in creative processes remains critical. AI in legal practices. In the legal sphere, AI's ability to process vast amounts of structured data could shift the roles of paralegals and legal assistants, as outlined by the Harvard Law Review. These professionals may transition to supervisory roles, ensuring AI's analytical prowess aligns with client needs and legal standards. AI in market research. Market research analysts may see AI take on more analytical tasks, with Forrester Research highlighting how predictive AI tools are beginning to automate trend analysis, fundamentally changing how data is interpreted and requiring the industry to adapt by integrating human insight with AI's advanced analytics. AI in education. When it comes to education, UNESCO's report on digital learning underscores AI's growing role, particularly in facilitating rote learning and grading. Yet, it emphasizes the irreplaceable value of human connection and mentorship that teachers provide, a factor AI cannot replicate, ensuring educators' roles evolve rather than diminish. AI's role in finance. Financial analysts and advisors find their traditional roles being reshaped by AI, as noted by Bloomberg Finance Insights. Machine learning algorithms excel in identifying market patterns and optimizing investment strategies, pushing professionals in finance to adapt by focusing more on strategic decision-making and client relations, leveraging AI's computational power for deeper insights. AI in trading. Traders and investment bankers are witnessing a significant shift as AI begins to automate trading and analysis, as reported by the Financial Times. This technological advancement is not about replacing humans but augmenting their capabilities, leading to roles that require overseeing AI-driven strategies and making complex decisions based on AI insights. AI in design. The field of graphic design is entering a new era with AI tools like DALL-E, as highlighted by Adobe Creative Cloud's latest innovations. These tools are not replacing designers but offering them new ways to create, pushing the boundaries of creativity and collaboration between human artists and AI. AI in accounting. Accountancy is not immune to AI reach either. According to a report by the American Institute of CPA's ACPA, the accounting profession is evolving with AI automating data processing and financial reporting. This shift challenges accountants to adapt, focusing more on advisory roles and strategic decision-making. AI in customer service. As Gartner forecasts, AI is transforming customer service, with chatbots and AI systems managing inquiries more efficiently. This technology enables human agents to focus on complex and sensitive interactions, elevating the level of customer care by handling routine queries with AI and preserving human expertise for where it's most needed. Automation in drone operation. Drone operators, pivotal in fields like surveillance, delivery, and environmental monitoring, may transition as drones gain autonomy, guided by AI for navigation and task execution. The Federal Aviation Administration's latest forecast suggests a growing reliance on unmanned aerial systems, highlighting a shift towards oversight, regulatory compliance, and strategic deployment, rather than manual operation. AI in warehousing. The warehousing sector is at the forefront of an automation revolution, led by giants like Amazon, which is on track to integrate 100,000 robots in its operations. Predictions indicate that by 2030, 30% of warehousing tasks may be permanently replaced by artificial intelligence. This seismic shift streamlines efficiency and accuracy in inventory management and highlights a pivot for human workers towards roles that emphasize supervisory duties, technical maintenance, and strategic logistics planning. The future of urban transport. A report from Goldman Sachs estimates that autonomous cars could eliminate 300,000 driving jobs a year, signaling a monumental shift in urban transportation. As self-driving technology edges closer to becoming a mainstream reality, taxi and ride-share drivers are facing a pivotal moment. The transition towards autonomous vehicles promises safer and more efficient roadways, and also necessitates a reimagining of roles within the sector. AI-enhanced security. According to the International Security Journal, the integration of AI into security systems is not just about enhancing surveillance capabilities, but also about redefining the role of security personnel. As AI takes on routine monitoring tasks, it frees up human professionals to focus on strategic analysis, emergency response planning, and advanced threat assessment. Retail revolution. The Retail Industry Leaders Association highlights how AI is reshaping the retail landscape, from virtual shopping assistants guiding online purchases to automated checkouts streamlining in-store transactions. This evolution demands retail workers to adapt by focusing on enhancing customer service, managing digital platforms, and providing tech support. This will ensure a personalized shopping experience amid automation. While AI's march may alter the employment landscape, it heralds a call to adapt, upskill, and reimagine our roles. With Unmudl, the future is not a threat, but an opportunity.